Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. If you watched my video on how to buy land in Arizona, I told you that Arizona is still a little bit of the wild, wild west. And the county supervisors in Pinal County just found that out the hard way. So Pinal County just decided to change their zoning regulations, and they didn't ask anybody first. So first, where is Pinal County? It's actually halfway between Phoenix and Tucson. You can see here on the map, pretty large area. The county seat is Florence, where we have a supermax prison, by the way. Generally, it's very rural. I mean, Florence is sort of a quaint little town to go visit if you ever want to stop by. But people have set up little homesteads out there, little ranches. And even if they couldn't afford a big ranch, they knew that under the general rural zoning, they could have plenty of cattle and horses to maintain. So in the general zoning regulation for Pinal County, it allowed you to have up to 3 hogs and then cattle and horses. Didn't say how many, just cattle and horses. But then, as of January 6th, they decided to change that so you could still only have 3 hogs. Really, you could have 1 hog per acre up to 3, but they limited the number of cattle and horses to 2 per acre and then 1 for every half acre after that. Well, the folks in Pinal County didn't take a liking to that, and being a state where people pride themselves on a little bit of independence and government not getting in their way, they decided to raise a stink about it. The outcry has been so huge that Mike Goodman, the Pinal County District 2 supervisor, recently said those new regulations are in the garbage. So what's going to happen in the future? Hopefully, if they're going to change the regulations, they're going to talk to the people out there and find out what's going on. Because there are people right now who have barns and stalls that'll hold 10 horses. What do they do with that land? Are they going to give them time to sell that land off before the changes occur? Because if not, they'll be out of compliance the day that the regulations come into effect. So if you're interested in having your own little homestead, contact me and I'll let you know what the latest is for Pinal County. It's kind of nice living in a state where the government actually listens to the people. Although they probably should have listened to them first before they made the change. See you next time, Pard.